Hello everyone, Dagan Yang here, and I will be talking about our discussion board number 5, and giving my input in terms of this scenario about Prince Charming and Cindy getting a divorce, and the good counselor who has been set up with a subpoena for Cindy and Prince Charming's case records. So, by the big bad wolf. First of all, this scenario was funny. I thought it was very interesting because it's not something that I ever thought about, and putting myself in that position, it just seems it's very intimidating. Yet it was very interesting to actually be able to put yourself in that position and figure out what you do. So I said that the first thing that the good counselor should do is definitely seek legal help and consultation before even responding to the subpoena, because the process, I imagine, is definitely like really intimidating. But knowing your rights, and also before the good counselor hands over the documents, he needs to get the okay from his lawyer and his legal team. Breach of confidentiality and disclosing information about Cindy and PC's relationship could end up in a lawsuit if it's not done correctly, because of client privilege. So I think that the counselor should absolutely seek legal counsel before anything is done, and should also know that he's not going to go to jail immediately, because I think that there is a time frame which it does have to be responded to. It definitely cannot be ignored, but it will be responded. But I don't think that that is immediate. The dilemmas that arise in this situation is the fact that the counselor assisted both Prince Charming and Cindy. So legally, he has a certain obligation, but ethically, as a counselor, he has a responsibility to confidentiality. In many states, though, privilege laws will cover any information that is disclosed when a third party is present. So for this scenario, Cindy should certainly consult with an attorney about what should be disclosed and what should not, given that that is her right in certain states. And also, as counselors, we form certain bonds and attachments with our clients. So in this case, the good counselor may be worried about how the case records will possibly work against Cindy when the big bad wolf presents them, and also ethically, he's worried about like the confidentiality and how that will impact Cindy, because even though he's legally bound, ethically and morally, as a counselor, he's gonna feel some type of way about disclosing his client's secrets and disclosing very private information that she may have shared during this very sensitive time. So I'm thinking that that's what the issues would revolve around. Thank you very much for your time.